Mabuhay and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Monica. Welcome, hi, hello. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. For today's video, we're gonna be creating this look using only drugstore products that are under $10. If you are interested in seeing how I created this look, please keep on watching. To save us some time, I already filled in my eyebrows using the NYX Micro Brow Pencil in Ash Brown. Since this is going to be a drugstore product under $10, I can't use my favorite primer, which is the MAC Paint Pot in Soft Ochre. I'm gonna be using this Maybelline Fit Me Concealer as my primer. And we're just gonna apply this all over our lid. I hope this doesn't crease, but I'm gonna set this with a powder. And I'm mainly just using this to even out any redness on my lid. So when I apply the colors or eyeshadows, it's gonna be all even. I'm gonna use this Airspun Loose Face Powder to set the concealer on my lid. This one smells like baby powder. For our eyeshadows today, I'm gonna be using the LA Colors eyeshadow palette. I believe this one is under $5, which is so cool, and I hope, and this is actually gonna be the first time I'm trying it, so I hope it's pigmented. I'm gonna be taking this shade right here to apply on my crease. The color it gives is like a soft pink color, and it's beautiful as a transition color. I want to further deepen my crease using this shade right here. The products that I'm mostly using here is from e.l.f., NYX, Wet n Wild, LA Colors. I find that they are the most affordable drugstore because earlier when I went to Rite Aid, a lot of the products are over $10, which is still a good price compared to if you were to go to Sephora and buy, branded makeups. One foundation can cost you like from $28 to $60 or even $100. It really just depends on what brand you choose. I love the L'Oreal Infallible Matte Foundation. That one is really good. It gives you full coverage and it's long lasting as well. What are your favorite drugstore products? Leave it on the comments down below because I would love to try it. For our lid, I'm gonna be using this shade right here. I'm gonna be taking this shade again just to clean it up. I'm quite not pleased with the eyeshadow that I put on my lid, so I'm trying this Wet n Wild Glitter Single Eyeshadow. So this is a cream eyeshadow. I think it's gonna be better if I use my fingers. Guys, this eyeshadow is so pretty and I believe it's only 99 cents. I'm also going to be listing all the prices down below, so make sure to check it out. Let's move on to eyeliner. I'm going to be using the e.l.f. No Budge Retractable Eyeliner. I grew up using these brands from back when I was in high school, and it's amazing to see how they are still doing well up to now. Moving on to foundation, I'm going to be using this e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation in the shade Honey. The shade is a little too light for me, but the foundation warms up on your skin and I'm going to bronze up anyways, so it's all going to work out at the end. For concealer, I'm going to be using Maybelline's Fit Me in the shade Sand Sable. To bake, I'm gonna be using the air spun loose powder. Before we move on to bronzer, let's go ahead and finish up with the eyes. I'm gonna be taking this shade again and just apply this on my lower lash. I'm gonna be taking the shade and apply it as close to my waterline as possible. For lashes, I'm gonna be using this Kiss lashes. This actually reminds me of the Ardell Wispy lashes. For bronzer, I'm gonna be using the Maybelline City Bronzer. I'm also gonna use this to contour my nose. We can now dust off the loose powder under the eyes. Now for my favorite part, which is highlighting, I'm gonna be taking Wet n Wild's highlighting powder in Mega Glow. Wow, that's really nice. Really nice and subtle. You can definitely build this up if you want that intense highlight, or spray your brush with some MAC Fix Plus. I'm also gonna apply this on the tip of my nose and the bridge of my nose as well. I'm also gonna add a little bit of that on my inner corners. For blush, I'm gonna be using this e.l.f. blush palette, and I'm gonna be taking this shade right here and maybe mix it with a little bit of this on the bottom. I'm taking L'Oreal's Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara, and I'm just applying this on my real lashes. This one, guys, is the best, or one of the best mascaras I've ever tried. And I'm just gonna clip it together. We are almost done, guys. So onto the lips, we're gonna be using the Wet n Wild lip liner in the shade Bear to Comment. And I'm just gonna outline my lips with this. I'm gonna pair that with Wet n Wild Bury It All lipstick. Smells kind of funny. Topping it off with their gloss in the shade Scent Nudes. And there you guys have it, our finished look. What do you guys think? Would you guys buy any of these products? I can say that the highlighter is definitely a must because it's not powdery and it just gives you that glow from within. And I also love the foundation because it's only $6 and it gives you a full coverage. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you like these types of videos, please give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on your notification bell. That way you can get posted every time I upload. Please follow me on my social media right over here. And again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.